Leute, herzlich willkommen zu einem weiteren Video.
Okay, welcome to our class. For those of you that are away, we're looking at how to use your GDC to create a scattergraph first of all, and then to put a regression line onto it. So hopefully your calculator looks something like mine. The first thing we want to do is we want to enter this data into our calculator. We did this question a little while ago in class. So to do that, we have to go to Stat. Stat is this button down here, a couple across from Alpha. And we want to edit. We want to edit the lists so that we can put our data into it. So once you've done that, you end up with these lists. I think you should have 6 lists in total. They may have numbers in them already. They may be empty like mine. So just a reminder, to get there, you press Stat, and option 1 is Edit. So we want to do that. If you have a load of things in your list already, maybe you've already been using this function. So it might be you come to your list and you find things are in there. What we want to do is clear them out. We don't want to delete them. If you hit delete, you delete the list and it disappears. So what I've done is I've gone up to L1 so that my cursor's over L1 and I want to clear it out. I hit clear, I hit enter, it's empty. So now it's ready to put this data in. So our next job is to enter the data for long jump into list 1 and high jump into list 2. So let's do that now.
Could you stop reading the data?
Continue up live.
So I've just been going through, typing the data in and pressing enter each time. A really good thing to do once you've typed your last piece in is check what number it's saying. This is saying list 1, piece of data 11. And if I check, I do have 11 pieces of data. So that seems correct. Now that I've done the long jump, I'm going to go across to list 2. And I'm going to start entering the data for high jump. I'm going to make sure I stick to the right order so that each of these gets entered as an ordered pair. So I'm just doing the same thing now for the high jump. Remember, if it's taking you a little bit longer, you can pause the video. It may be that you're much quicker than me. Yeah, Raphael, what's your question?
No, I was just looking at it. And I don't know why.
Okay, I'm just going to check. 1.54 goes with 4.53. That's good. That's looking right so far. Let's keep going. Almost there. Okay, how are we all doing? Have we managed to finish this off? Can you show me? Put a hand up if you're still going, so I can see. Okay, we're just going to wait for everyone to be ready for this, so I'm afraid you're going to have to be a bit patient.
Don't tell him.
Oh, it says
The 12th one's empty. Okay, so keep going back. You done? Yep, you're done. Done? Girls, you okay? Done? Right? Okay. Are we okay to continue?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, so at the moment we have put all of our data into our calculator. We've got long jump in list 1, high jump in list 2. What we can do first of all is we can get the calculator to make a scatter graph for this. So to do that, I want to go to my stat plot, statistics plots. It's in blue up here, so I have to press the blue button, the second button, and then this. Okay, there are a number of options here. We're going to go for the first stat plot. I'm going to enter this, and it opens up a menu. I want to turn it on first of all, so I hover over on and press enter. The next thing I need to decide on is what type. We looked previously at drawing box and whiskers. We want to draw a scatter graph, so we're going to go for this first one. So make sure that's on. Our x values, we're putting long jump on the x-axis, which is stored in list 1. Maybe that doesn't say anything at the moment. Maybe it's empty for you. So what you're going to need to do is press list 1. List 1 is above the 1 key in blue. So once again, we press the blue, the second function, and we enter list 1. We want list 2 in the Y. Okay, so this all looks ready for me. The next thing I do is I need to set my window. The easiest way to do that is to press zoom and then scroll down. There's one that's specially designed for statistics. So let's try that one first of all. Zoom stat is option 9. Okay, here's my scatter graph. So I've got my 11 points.